This course on fraud risk management in banking is designed to help learners understand recurring fraud patterns, detect early warning signals, and strengthen preventive and escalation mechanisms within banking operations. Participants will examine loan and documentation fraud, digital payment fraud, mule accounts, internal fraud risks, and behavioral anomalies in transactions. The program also introduces structured alert investigation workflows, evidence preservation standards, and escalation discipline required for regulatory reporting. By the end of the course, learners will be able to interpret transaction monitoring alerts, conduct structured fraud investigations, identify systemic control weaknesses, and design preventive control frameworks to strengthen fraud governance across banking institutions.